I am Indira Parekh. I come from Pune, Maharashtra in India. I am president of Foundation for Liberal and Management Education. This institution has been set up 7 years ago, and we have the first of its kind liberal education program in the country. We are looking for collaboration. When your students come to the Flame campus, they would have the experience of being part of an Indian university, part of relating to Indian students, finding out about their life, finding out about how they live, finding out about their families, and also finding about the campus, the kind of other innovative things which we are doing. When my students come here, they would come to a very different country than India. They would learn about the culture, about the society, about how people live here, how people study here, how young generation behaves here. And when both the generations come together from two different parts of the world, they understand each other and make a world far more better place, far more understanding place, and far more sensitive place. See, students need to think big. They need to dream big. They need to look at world in a very different, very large way. They also need to say there is much more to life than work and study. They need to discover many aspects of life. They need to be sensitive to themselves. They need to be sensitive to the families. They need to be contributing to the society and to the country. There is much baggage that we carry from history. Our young generation must move beyond the baggage and create things which will make this world a better place to live in. This world where people can understand each other and still let them be who they are and what they are. Flame has a liberal education model which says you need to make choices. There are many courses, many subjects, many streams of education available. You need to know in the undergraduate program a little bit of everything. Finally, when you have had the exposure, you have had the experience, you have heard your calling, you've heard your beckoning, then you make a choice and then go ahead in life to do that with passion, with commitment, with involvement. First of all, it has been a very, very beautiful experience. Right from the time the planning was being done, I discovered that people are so warm, people are so friendly, and in the correspondence, when I hadn't met the people, it almost seemed I knew them. When I came, right from the beginning, from the immigration to the hotel to the campus, it has almost been first that it is a dream come true. This is my first visit to Latin America, definitely the first visit to Colombia, Bogota, my first visit to La Sabana University. But the best part was I know some of the people, I knew some of the people, and they had come to the campus. So it was just like coming to a place where I know the people and it felt like home. Thank you.